So yun guys, malapit na kami sa Milan. Mga 20 minutes, no? 20-30 minutes na sa Milan na kami. Nandun na si Kim. Nag-ayos lang siya. Nag-makeup siya guys, para maganda daw siya.
Off the train.
So yun guys, dito lang kami sa Milano. Ayan siya. Hinantay lang namin huminto yung train. Tapos so yun. Si Kim, dito na kami. Ganda niya, no? Ganda ng ate mo.
Muna naman ako.
Ikaw, pwede ka.
Mirror. Tapos may ref, tapos may tumatay sa loob. Buksan ko kaya?
Wow!
Yan. Hey guys, so we're now here.
Sasolo siya.
Salamat, magkakaroon ako ng matan. Mahal na natin.
Busog ka ba?
Nantok na ako.
So, pupunta na kami ngayon sa metro. Diba?
So yun guys, papunta kami ngayon sa Alcatraz. Katapos namin kumain sa Jollibee.
Jollibee, bumigat ako.
Oo.
Dalawa kasi extra rice yung binili ko.
Pogi ko dyan, just got arrived here. Take over. You know the struggle.
Tumakbo kami.
Ako tumakbo ko from Rome sa sila France. Hanap kayo mas mura
Ate, say hi
transportation.
to the vlog. I met this girl. Hello! Are you excited, guys? Kaya mo!
Inumubo siya guys. Malamig kasi dito sa Italy.
Diba yun?
The weather's perfect.
Yes! Like you!
We've been our asses off for a week. And we finally saw the sun, and we're excited. We're gonna get some pasta tonight. Can't wait. Some questions and hang out and take some photos. Does that sound good?
Yes!
I can tell tonight's gonna be good. Frankfurt was terrible.
Like that. You're my best friend. Hey guys, vlog update. So, tapos na yung experience, VIP experience. Nandito na kami sa merch stuff. Bibigyan kami ng mga ano, ang tawag doon? Tote
Merch.
bag.
Tote bag tsaka
with merch,
t-shirt.
signed
Diba, Chenis?
stuff. Yun. Guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga video. Lalagay
Ganito mo sa kanila yung ano?
Alin?
Sinagwan mo si Lenny.
Ha?
Lenny, si
Ano,
Lenny.
Lenny?
Sinugawan ni ate yan si Lenny Misalucho.
Sabi ko,
Lenny Robredo.
nagtanong kasi siya, parang,
Sabi niya, Lenny, may pulugaw ka ba?
hindi ko sinabi, sabi ko, tinanong niya kung it was good, tapos sabi ko, my heart hurts so
Buti hindi ako,
good.
wait, buti hindi ako,
yun.
buti hindi ako na-spoil dun sa True District tsaka sa 13.
Thank you so much. What's up, guys? What size do we like for t-shirts?
Do you have XS?
S is my smallest. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, you're too kind. Thank you. For you?
Thank
Can
you.
I take a large, please?
Yeah, man, definitely.
Can I ask a question? Can I ask a question?
Yes, of course.
Do you think when Lainey and Taylor Swift will have collab?
I hope so. I hope there is
Can
a
you
Taylor
pass
Swift.
the
Thank you so
message
much.
to
I will tell
Paul?
Taylor. I'll tell Taylor and the
Yes,
team.
please.
I'll do my best.
Yes, I recorded it, okay?
Okay. Now she has to do it.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, we're going now.
Dito.
Here. Ate Suzanne. Hello.
Dito po kami.
Ayan, yung mga...
Alam mo bakit?
Juliet, and I was crying on the staircase, begging you please don't go. promise this in my head. I don't know what you're thinking. Down to the ground and pull out a ring and say, marry me, Juliet. You never have to be alone. I love you, and that's all I really know. I talk to your dad, go pick up the white dress. It's a love story, baby, just say it. Hello po! Sa vlog.
Hello po.
Magkakape muna kami and then tayo dyan magti-take out as uuwi na. Ano oras na?
Ay, wait lang. Ate,
Time check.
9:13.
9:13.
pag mag-Jollibee tayo na alas... Ate, pag mag-Jollibee tayo na alas G.
So, hey guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa museum ni...
Leonardo da Vinci.
Ni Sir Leonardo. Hey guys, so nandito na kami. Kumuha kami ng 3 ticket. For student, 11 euro. So, no need to bring your ID. Sabihin mo lang. Okay, wait. Bye-bye! Guys, ang ganda. Wait lang.